Binomial theorem. Let's understand it. If you are given x plus y power n, then it can be written as nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 y plus nc2 x power n minus 2 y2 and so on. And last term will be ncn x power 0 y power n. Here, nc0 will be 1, nc1 is n, nc2 is n into n minus 1 upon factorial 2, ncn will be 1. Now, let's take an example. Suppose 2x plus 5y whole cube, and we want to expand it by using binomial theorem. So we write 3c0 2x power 3 plus 3c1 2x power 2 into 5y plus 3c2 2x into 5y square plus 3c3 2x power 0. So that is 1 and then 5y whole cube. Now we can evaluate it. 3c0 is 1. This will become 8x cube. 3c1 will give 3. This will become 4x square times 5y. 3c2 will give 3 times 2 times 25y square. And 3c3 is 1, then 125y cube. Now, let's see how to write general term. So general term is written as tr plus 1 ncr x power n minus r y power r. Example, suppose we are given 2x plus 3y power 7 and we have to write its general term. So we write tr plus 1 equal to 7cr 2x power 7 minus r and 3y power r. Example, suppose we want to find out fifth term t5. So we write it as t4 plus 1 and we put r equal to 4. So 7c4 2x power 7 minus 4 into 3y power 4 and then we evaluate. So it is very simple. Now let's consider next part. So middle term. Middle term, if power is even, that is n is even number, in that case middle term will be n by 2 plus 1th term. Example, suppose we are given 2x plus 3y power 8 and we have to find out middle term. So middle term will be even number, so 8 by 2 plus 1th term, that is fifth term. And fifth term we can find by applying formula tr plus 1 ncr x power n minus r y power r. So we write r equal to 4. T5 means t 4 plus 1. And this will become n is 8 c4 x power 8 minus 4. Here x is 2x. So we write here 2x 8 minus 4 and y is 3y power 4 and then we evaluate it. Now let's see when n is odd. So if n is odd, then middle term is n plus 1 divided by 2x term. Example, suppose we are given expression, say 4x plus 3y power 7, and we have to find out middle term. So middle term will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is fourth term. And fourth term can be found by applying formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r y power r, that is 7c. We want to find out T4. So here T4 means T 3 plus 1. So r will be 3 and x is 4x here and 7 minus 3 and y is 3y power 3. Now another expansion. So let's see. Suppose we are given 1 plus x power n. It will become nc0, that is 1 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square and so on, and nth term will be ncn x power n. It's a general term. Tr plus 1 will be ncr x power r. Similarly, 1 minus x power n can be written as 1 minus nc1x. Wherever power of x is odd, in that case there will be negative sign, the rest will remain same. So nc2x square minus dot 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 till last term minus 1 power n ncn x power n, and its general term is given by tr plus 1 equal to ncr minus 1 power r and x power r. Now let's see some questions. Suppose question is find fifth term from end. Expression is x minus 1 upon 2x power 10. So here total number of terms is n plus 1, that is 11. So fifth term from end equal to seventh term from beginning. So let's evaluate it. So T7, that is T6 plus 1. In that formula, NCR, like TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r y power r. So it will become 10CR x power 10 minus r minus 1 upon 2x power r. This is how it can be evaluated. Now, let's see next question. Question 2 says, if coefficient of x power 7 in ax square plus 1 upon bx whole power 11 and coefficient x power minus 7 in ax minus 1 upon bx square power 11 are equal, then a into b equal to. So let's consider the solution. Ax square plus 1 upon bx power 11. Its a general term TR plus 1 will be equal to 11 CR AX square whole power 11 minus R 1 upon B power R times X power minus R. So this will be equal to 11 CR A power 11 minus R X square, that is when 2 will be multiplied, so it will become 22 minus 2R minus, sorry, 1 upon B power R times X power minus R. So total power of X will be 22 minus 3R, and it is to be equated with X power 7. So 22 minus 3R equal to 7, or 22 minus 7 equal to 3R, from where we get R equal to 5. Then from here, when we put R equal to 5, we get T6. And the coefficient will be 11C5 A power 6, and this will be B power 5. Suppose this is expression number 1. So we are concerned with coefficient, not the number of terms. Now we are going to consider this term, and then we will try to find out coefficient of X power minus 7. So consider AX minus 1 upon BX square whole power 11. Its general term will be TR plus 1 equal to 11 CR AX power 11 minus R minus 1 upon B power R times X power minus 2 whole power R. That is 11 CR A power 11 minus R minus 1 upon B power R and X power 11 minus 3R. Now we have to find out the coefficient of X power minus 7. It means 11 minus 3R must be equal to minus 7. So 11 minus 3R equal to minus 7. So 11 plus 7 equal to 3R, from where we get R equal to 6. Now putting R equal to 6 here, we can get the coefficient. So T7 will be equal to, so not T7, our concern is to get coefficient. So just we write coefficient. So coefficient is 11C6 A power 5 and 1 upon B power 6. This will be coefficient of X power minus 7. So this is second expression. But we are given that both the coefficients are equal. So we can equate the two. This 11C5 A power 6 B power 5 must be equal to 11C6 A power 5 B power 6. So we equate the two. 11C5 A power 6 into 1 upon B power 5 must be equal to 11C6 A power 5 B power 6. So we evaluate it. So we arrange A power 6 into divided by B power 5 multiplied by B power 6 divided by A power 5 equal to 11C6 divided by 11C5. So here B power 5, B power 6 means B will be left here, A power 5 will consider it, and A will be left here. And 11C6 divided by 11C5 will give 1. Hence, we get AB equal to 1, which is our answer. Thank you.